Okay, looks like we are live, but I don't see the update on YouTube. There will be a delay, of course. Okay, I can hear myself, but where? Okay, perfect. Oh, so it's playing on all the devices. That's weird. So, welcome back to another live quiz. This time we are doing it on tech history. So, when you join, the first thing you do is hit that like button. And I'm checking if it is working on LinkedIn. Let me know if people who are watching it on LinkedIn if you can see this live. Okay, I saw myself moving on LinkedIn, but I'm not sure if I'm audible there. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So I can hear myself on LinkedIn as well. So that's good. Do I need extra screens now? No. Okay, so watching it on, okay, you're on YouTube. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. But what are you drinking? Thumbs up. That's fine. Okay, just waiting for everyone to join. And if you want to play this quiz, and of course you should play this quiz, wait for my QR code. So I will share you the QR code in some time, and then you can join. So YouTube takes some time to share this with everyone else. Okay, Gurumati from LinkedIn join. Thank you for Python. But which one? The new series or the old one? Tell me something about AI. What impact will have on so? I mean, no one knows exactly which direction AI is going, but as a company, whatever thing we can do with humans, they're trying to see if they can do it with AI. Uh, they can automate certain process. Example, if you want to do coding, and if you have, let's say, 10 members in a team, you can give them the access for Copilot, and you can reduce the team size. A lot of other tools, a lot of other domains are also getting automated, but we're not getting the output as we are expecting. So let's see how thing goes. We will get to know in next few months now. So it's wait and watch. It's just that as a developer or someone, I mean, first of all, it doesn't matter which domain you are into, it will affect every domain. What will be the level of effect? No one knows. But the thing you can do is explore AI tools, explore how you can use AI tools in your current job, and just stay ahead. Okay. What are my major plans for 2026? Good question. There was no plan till now as well. So this is a meme going on Instagram. The thing is, last year my plan was to get into AI engineering, and I wanted to finish everything by December. I'm running a bit late because I have other commitments as well. So even for first few months of this year, I will have that plan. The plan is also to recreate the Java Spring course on Udemy. Uh, that's another plan. Few other plans are there with product development, and I will update you on those things in some time, maybe in few months. Yes, hey aliens. Thanks sir, for providing all in 48 hours video. Now I follow step by step and it is helpful. Oh, that's great. This is one more plan. We are going to upload one more video, more than 48 hours, with some recent versions. Like AI revolution today, is anything specific happened or anything happened before in software industry? Not at this level, because It's huge. AI is huge. But if you look at the other domains, other things which have happened, a lot of things changed, but it changed slowly and affecting few domains. But AI is something which is affecting every domain. So maybe that's where it is big. And if you think about it, software industry itself is a big revolution towards the other domains. I'm doing full stack Java course. Is it worth it? Yes. But that's don't just stuck here. So once you complete Java full stack, also see how can you use AI for improving your productivity and also adding AI features to your application. Are you from Hyderabad? My family origin is from Hyderabad, but I was born brought up in Mumbai. Currently, I'm staying in Pune. So okay, so I'm going to share the screen on how you can join it on. How can you join the quiz? So just give me a sec, everyone. I'm doing the setup for the quiz. Now let me share the screen. Okay, let me close WhatsApp. Let me close Spotify. Share the entire screen. Okay, so this is how you can join the quiz. Sir, listening to you for the first time in 1x. Okay, that's good. That's good because on in videos you speed up. Speed up. There should be a feature for the live as well, right? But then they can't practically do that because I'm speaking in real time. Okay. But this can be a good scenario where if the live started 10 minutes ago and if you want to start from start, there should be option of speeding it up. I've gone through your video about jailability and it is wonderful. Kindly make some more videos about cryptography tokenization. Yeah, that's in the plan. Okay, so how do you join this quiz? It's very simple. You take out your phone, scan the QR code, and try to use some other phone so that you will be live as well on YouTube, and you will know what is happening. And from the other phone, join the quiz. So take out your phone, scan the QR code, and you'll be in. And also going to share the link in the chat. So make sure that you enter your real name, and I can see a lot of people already joined. So we got okay, take it. So Praveen Raj, Sri Hari, Ashutosh, Azhar, Sandeep, Rakshit, or Harshit, Abrar, Mrityunjay, Omnesh, Balaji, Shubham, Joseph, Darshan, Kaushik. Okay, people are less today for the live. I'm still looking for a good time to go live, and looks like Saturday evening is not working. And in fact, my YouTube studio even tells me that on Saturday evening, in fact, weekend evening, there are less people watching your videos. Uh, so the maximum views or the people who come to the channel, they come in the afternoon of weekdays. But I was thinking if I do a quiz there, and if you are working in the office or if you are in your college, how will you join? What's the gift for the winner? Appreciation. As a Okay, so today the target would be once we complete 70 participants, will start. No, day by day the count is going down for the quiz. I should change the time. Oh, okay. Did I call your name wrong? It's Subhan. Subhan. Okay. So everyone who just joined this particular live stream, if you want to join the quiz, take out your phone, the other phone, and scan this QR code. Yes, this is what you get. My opinion, I think nowadays less people prefer Java than Mern. Yes, I mean, if you have a choice, you will choose JavaScript. But when you join the industry, you don't have a choice. You have to choose a language or you have to take a language which your company is using. And that's where I can see more Java projects. So it depends in which domain you are into. So 63, 7 more to go. Once we get 5 more to go, once we get 5 more, we'll start the quiz. Our quiz topic for today is tech history. Yeah, give prizes, more people will join. Maybe I should try that once. Or maybe let's do that next week. Let's do with the prize. Okay, so we have reached 70. It's time to start the quiz. So here we go, everyone. The first question coming on your screen. But before I do that, I have some few instructions. When you see the quiz, it is MCQ. So basically, you'll be having a question with multiple options. You have to select the correct option. Also, you have to do it fast because for every correct answer, you will get points. And if you give faster, you will get more points. Okay, and that's how you collect the points. Cool. So here we go. Let's get the quiz started. So here we go. The first question on your screen. So the first widely adopted high-level programming language was, and you can see there's a code as well. Okay, interesting question. How Telesco is different from other technology teaching channels? I mean, there is something you need to tell me. What is something which you like about this channel? What you don't like about this channel? For me, I feel I'm just filling the gap in the knowledge. Never compared this channel with other channels intentionally. But you should let me know. Or maybe you can ask this question to ChatGPT. I will do that quickly. And I will tell you what the AI says. And can I copy this? Oh, there's no option of copying this? Weird. How Telesco is different from other technology teaching channels. Let's see what it says. I'm just curious. Okay, by the time it answers, let's go for the answers for this. So let's see what you have selected. Majority you went for COBOL, but it's Fortran. Okay. So let's there's the answer as well. So Fortran, short for formula translation, was created in 1950s. So let scientist and engineer write. Yeah, this solves the problem for the mathematicians, right? So scientist. Perfect. And good job, team, with this information button there. Okay, Germany says Telesco run by like Travis Media, programming of March, primarily due to its teaching philosophy. Don't just teach, educate. While many channels focus on how to build a project quickly, Telesco focus heavily on why thing works the way they do under the hood. Okay, that's good. Okay, lengthy answer, but I'm interested to see. Focus on syntax instantly. 5 minutes. We'll spend explaining the JVM, how memory is allocated, what happens inside the computer. Yeah, that's what we try to do. We try to explain the things behind the scene. Pacing, conceptual. The pacing is a little bit slower. Uh, I mean, I try to keep it slow, but I speak fast, so I can't help it. Often repeats complex concepts, and yeah. Okay, well, in the answer. Anyway, you should try this out on your particular AI assistants and get to know. Okay, let's move to the questions again, and let's move to the second question. And I'll keep the QR code open if you want to join. Let's see the next question. The first computer programmer in history was. I mean, this should be easy. You might have heard about this a lot of time before. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. It's Lady Ada Lovelace. That's right. Okay, a lot of people say Charles Babbage. Can you see the photo on your screen? Yeah, but I think they were working together, wrote the first algorithm intended for Charles Babbage analytical engine. Perfect. It's time to see the leaderboard. And who is doing well? It's Sushil Rawal from our team. Why, Sushil, why you are playing this game? Do you know the questions? Sushil, you know the questions? But the questions are shared in developer group, right? Sushil is not there in the developer group. Okay. So Sushil is our creative head. And then we got Sachin, Sonu, Sagnik, Pratibhan, Vivek, Azhar. I don't know. Is that your name? Samon, Samoon. Acha, Heather. Okay. Gayani. Great. Uh, Sushil and Sachin is very close. They're very close. So if you want to join the quiz, someone who just joined the stream, you can use the QR code and join. Okay, let's move to the next question. And mind you, you have to also answer fast. That's how you will get more points. The next question, the first known computer virus was called. And time up. Let's see the answer. Okay, majority voted for Morris Worm, but it is Creeper. Okay, so Creeper is the first computer virus because it appeared in 1971 and could move between computers on ARPANET. I don't know how many of you know about ARPANET. If you don't know, just after this session, I think you should note down these points. After the session, what are the things you have to explore? And one of it is ARPANET. Okay, next question coming on your screen, everyone, and here we go. Who invented the computer mouse? I mean, with the face, you can remove two answers straightforward from this, or two options. And time up. Let's see what you voted for. And majority voted for Douglas Engelbart. I'm not sure if you know the answer or you just went for the faces. Doesn't match with Bill Gates, doesn't match with Steve Jobs. And if you know Tim Berners-Lee face, you can opt it from there. So this is the answer. So Douglas invented the computer mouse in 1960s. Great. Okay, let's move to the next question. Oh, there should be a leaderboard here. And it's Sagnik who's doing good. I think Sushil just stopped playing the quiz. Sagnik doing a great job. Then we got Ashprit, Sonu, Pratibhan, Deepak, Sachin, Shantanu, Azhar, and Heather. Great. Next question coming on your screen. The term World Wide Web was coined in. Now the phase is not important. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. And it's 1989, the day, the year when I was born. That's good. Majority voted for 1987. I think it was built in 1987, but it was coined in 1989. Okay, so coined, yeah. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. The first domain name ever registered was. Okay. Lord says starting your Python course right now. Oh, that's good. All the best with the learning. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, majority voted for symbolics, and that is correct. So let's see, symbolics was the first domain officially registered on March 19, March 15, 1985. Okay, that's good. So let's see the leaderboard. Sagnik still doing good. No one is beating Sagnik, but Ashpit is trying to catch up. Good job. And you can still catch up. There's so many questions still remaining. Pratibhan, Deepak, any new entry here? I think Rajiv is a new entry. Shanta is a new entry. Ujjwal, new entry. I can see some names which get repeated in every quiz, and that's a good thing. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Bluetooth technology was named after. You can remove this option because nothing is named after the programmer. Okay, let's see what you have answered. Oh, majority voted for a Viking king. That's good. You know the answer. In fact, when I saw the question for the first time, I was not knowing this answer. I was thinking some scientist. Yeah, I mean, in my mind, this was the answer. But good job, everyone. Is it that common? Okay, next question. The floppy disk was invented by. This should be easy. There was one company who used to do all these things, and then others used to copy. And they become a bigger brand than uh, the other companies. Okay, let's see. Majority voted for IBM. That is correct, and almost 31 people voted for Sony, but it's IBM. IBM is a leader in all these scenarios. Okay, let's see the leaderboard, and it's still Sagnik. Did you hack the system, Sagnik? Ashwit is catching up. Deepak is just going up, and looks good. Looks good. Social catching up. Praveen looks like a new entry. Antrish is back. Antrish. I think you attended the previous quiz as well. The reason why there's less participants possible. See, for that reason, I went for this particular topic, which is quiz history or tech history. So, what is the famous topic which you want to have a quiz on? Okay, time for the next question. The term bug in computing originated from. This should be easy. This thing came on Instagram as well, so it's common. So let's see the answer. Yeah, majority knew the answer. That's good. It's the actual insect. Okay, and the engineer working on the hardware Mark II in 1947 found a moth trapped in a relay and taped it into the log, calling it the first actual case of bug found. Yeah. Okay, time for the next question. GraphQL was invented, or sorry, what developed by which company? This is recent, so you should know this. And let's see the answer. It's Facebook. That's right. So time for the leaderboard. And Sagnik still doing good. Sagnik, is it you know the answer or you are very lucky? Deepak doing good. Antaresh just went up. Ashprit, Shiva, Sima is a new entry. Shantanu, Bhavit. Okay, cool. Next question. Blockchain technology was introduced in which year? Don't get confused with Bitcoin, and that is not even mentioned for the Bitcoin. So I think this is straightforward. And yeah, it's 2008. Great. So blockchain was introduced in 2008 when Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. That paper explained a new digital money system. Yeah. Next question coming on your screen. Which language motto is right once, run anywhere? Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. It's Java. I think this was the easiest question among all. So Java programs are compiled into platform-independent bytecode instead of machine-specific code. That bytecode runs on any device that has a virtual machine. So I've just questioned with my team, do this information button is also visible on the participant screen? So let's see the leaderboard. And okay, Deepak is trying to catch up with Sagnik. That's great. Antrish is there. A new entry here. GS is a new entry. And Koshlendra. Koshlendra. Okay. I think we can add that, right? That should be a good option where once they submit the answer, they should be able to see that. Is that question comes under computer history? What was the question? I forgot the question. Hey, what was the question before? Let me know in the chat. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Git was created by. I think the face is famous, so you should be able to answer this. And this question was there in last quiz as well when we did for Git. And yeah, majority voted for Linus Torvald. Your last week's question. Yeah. Sometimes you have to reuse the things. Okay. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Kubernetes was originally an internal tool of which company and later released as open? Yeah, as open source. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. And here we go. Majority voted for Google. That is correct. In fact, there's also a documentary of Kubernetes on the Honeypot channel. Do watch it. It's good. Okay. Praman says, "How can I participate? I'm new for this quiz." It's very simple. You take out your phone and you will see a QR code on the top here. Just scan this. Yes, more videos are on the way. Time for the leaderboard. And Sagnik and Deepak very close. Antrish and Deepak very close, very close. Sushil trying to catch up. Then we got Anup is a new entry here. Looks good. Next question coming on your screen. ChatGPT was released to the public in. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. Yeah, everyone knows when ChatGPT came, right? Okay. Also, let me know what is your current score, current ranking, because we can only see top 10. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. The C programming language was developed at. Okay, let's see what you answer. And by the way, these people which you see here, they are Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie, I think. Yeah. So let's see the answer. Majority voted for Bell Labs, and yeah, so C was created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. So he developed it to help write improve the Unix operating system, which was getting redeveloped by Ken Thompson. Okay, so I will show you the leaderboard. We can see top 10 here. Others, you can just write your ranking in the chat. Okay, looks like uh, Sagnik and Antresh very close. Looks like the year, the date of birth or date of year, birth year. What I'm saying. Then we got Deepak, Sushil, Bhavit. Any new entry here? I think same people. So my rank is 28. Okay, 12, 35, 92. I think you just started. Cool. Time for the next question. And here we go. The first microprocessor was. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. It's Intel 4004. I think you got confused with this is because in our college syllabus, when you learn microprocessor, this is what they teach you. So Intel 4004 introduced in 1971, way back. Got a job in High Street. Which one? Balewadi High Street? Okay, next question. Moore's law relates to. So the law some says in every 2 years the number of something uh, or something will get double every 18 months. What is that something? So let's see the answer. It's the transistor count. We can say CPU speed, but that's indirect impact. Okay. So Moore's law observed that the number of transistors of an integrated circuit roughly doubles every couple of years. It specifically describes how transistor could grow over time, driving increase in computing power. But I'm not sure uh, how true it is still in the industry. Okay, time for the leaderboard. And here we go. Antrish just overtook Sagnik. That's great. We want this type of competition, but you're very close. You can still overtake Antrish there. Then we got Deepak. Any new entry here? Darshan is a new entry. Looks good. Eighth, ninth, very close. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Node.js is built on which JavaScript engine? Oh, great, Nikhil. And time up. Let's see the answer. It's V8. I think someone who learns Node.js in the first page, it talks about it is built on V8 engine. So easy point. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. Guess the Linux mascot. What do we call it? And you will get to know the answer if you look on this screen properly. Okay, time up. So it's, if you see this quiz application, it says Tux here. So basically, we are using its Linux mascot name with alien Tux. And let's see the answer. It's Tusk. So leaderboard. Andresh still doing good. We got two more questions, Sagnik. You can still overtake Andresh. Even Deepak can overtake both of you. And Bhavit is in the same zone. Sushil, I think you can come in top three if you give the right answer now. Let's see. Two more questions to go. Second last question, everyone, coming on your screen. Here we go. John McCarthy is widely recognized as the father of. Shubham says this topic is boring. Subhan. Yeah. Okay, let's see the answer. It's AI. Majority voted for machine learning, but it's AI. I mean, we got equal votes for both. Father of AI because he coined the term artificial intelligence. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Or maybe let's see the leaderboard at the end, right? That will be fun. The last question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. The term artificial intelligence was coined in which year? I mean, this will be easy if you remember, we have shown the description for the previous question. This is where you messed up, Gaurav, or maybe you're testing their reading speed or their attention span. Okay, let's see the correct answer. It's 1956. Okay, now we are excited to see the final leaderboard. And you should be seeing your ranking on your phone. But top 10, nice. It's Antrish, winner for today's quiz. Good job. Then we got Sagnik second and Deepak third. Fourth, we got Bhavit, Sushil, Darshan, Simha, Anup, Heather, and Ashutosh. So 37, 72, 33, How about if we do it on? Suggest me the next quiz topic. Oh, Naman, you are also playing this. It says missed by one. And how was the quiz? God of says Python. Okay, let's do it on Python next week. Yeah, shout out for number 10, Ashutosh. Please explain the basic working of this quiz. Maybe we should make a video on how this team has developed this particular application, the challenges which we faced. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. On that note, thank you so much, everyone, for joining. See you next week. Keep learning. That's important. Doesn't matter which platform. You can learn from YouTube. You can learn from our platform. If you want to visit courses.risco.com. Check out the courses. Keep learning, keep improving your skills, and keep building the project. So on that note, bye bye.